How's it going, guys? This is Chris from Subimods, and we're back again today with another video. We have our 2022 WRX here, and we have an all-new exhaust from ETS Performance. So this is a 3-inch exhaust with burnt tips. They were kind enough to send this over to us so we could throw it on our car, get some sound clips, and just test out the overall fit and finish. So we're gonna get right into it today. We're gonna get the car up on the lift, and we're going to get this exhaust installed. We're gonna get back down the ground, get a nice cold start, and then take it for a few rips and get some sound clips. So let's get into it. So before we get into the install, we kind of just wanted to note real quick, because we just noticed kind of just the difference between the piping, the size difference between the stock piping and the piping from ETS. So the stock piping is like, I mean, it's got to be like 2 inches, maybe 1.75 inches, 2 inches at best. And this ETS piping is, you know, beefy, 3 inches. So this should give it a lot of noise. Hopefully open it up a bit, and we'll really hear what this FA24 is about. Let's get to it. So we just got the install done. Pretty straightforward, just as easy as any other Subaru Catback. Right off the bat, the ETS Catback looks really good in my opinion. I'm not usually a fan of burnt tips personally, but I think it looks good on our silver car, especially with this much loved plastic here. So the burnt tips look good. I think it looks better than the awkward tip STI exhaust. So I'm gonna hop around and give it a cold start and see how it sounds. ETS exhaust on the 22 WRX. We've been driving around for a little bit, and honestly, it sounds really good. Personally, I thought this was going to be a little bit too loud for my own liking personally, but honestly, it's not very loud. For a full 3-inch exhaust, it really gives the FA24 a nice growl to it, but not too loud and not too annoying. We got this thing up to highway speeds. We did about 75, 80 for a little bit, and it did not drone in the cabin. We had the windows up, and it really did not drone at all. I'm very happy about that. The blue chrome tips work really well with the silver on the car, and overall, I think this is a great exhaust for the 2022 WRX. It sounds great with the engine, looks good overall, and the install is very easy, just like most Subaru models. So for today, thank you for watching. We'll be back again with some more mods for our 22 WRX and our 22 BRZ shortly. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.